Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a new ultra modern beachfront villa for sale. It spans 3 levels and sits on a little over quarter acre of land. It is located in the exclusive Jamaica Beach, Tower Isle, St. Mary. It is only 7 minutes from both the Ian Fleming International Airport in Boscobel and Ocherius in St. Anne. Be the first to enjoy this custom built 6 bedroom, 7.5 bathroom villa with postcard perfect views of the Caribbean Sea. This fully furnished villa offers an exquisite living experience with its high end finishes, flowing layout, and convenience. Restore and relax in the well equipped home theater or by the Infinity Edge swimming pool. This meticulously designed home allows you to dine al fresco on the expansive terrace while looking out at the horizon. The property is on a cliff with a beautiful beach below, making beach access a possibility. It is perfect for a vacation home, primary residence, or investment property with other beaches and all major amenities at your fingertips. Contact agent via telephone, email, or WhatsApp to arrange viewing or to make an offer. Guys, let's take a look at this villa and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this villa is US 2.5 million or Jamaica $384.7 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.